Donald Trump asked Supreme Court to pass TikTok ban so he can negotiate resolution. President-elect Donald Trump is asking the Supreme Court to block a law that could ban TikTok within the United States, stating that he would like to pursue negotiation to resolve some of the issue involved and solve the platform. The Supreme Court is expected to hear oral arguments over the law on January 10th, just 9 days before the deadline for TikTok parent company to either divest from the platform in the United States or face an effective ban. The Jan 19 deadline is also just one day before Trump is expected to be inaugurated for his second term as president. President Trump announced press services the consummate deal making expertise, the electoral mandate, and the political will be negotiate a resolution to save the platform while addressing the national security concerns. His December 27 amicus brief read, Trump's brief underscored the importance of the timing and argued the court to give him more of an opportunity to handle the issue as chief executive. This timing binds the hands of the incoming administration on a significant issue of national security and foreign policy, and thus it raises significant questions under Article 2. The brief read, Article 2 refers to the section of the Constitution vesting executive authority with the President. Trump's brief said the law raised questions about legislative encouragement on executive authority. The executive, not Congress, is primarily charged with responsibility for the United States national security, its foreign policy, and its strategic relationship with the geopolitical rivals. His brief read. The line question was passed with bipartisan support and signed by President Joe Biden earlier this year. TikTok challenged the law in federal court, and the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuits held that it satisfied a high level of security scrutiny under the First Amendment. Although the Supreme Court has decided to take up the First Amendment issue, Trump said he took no position on the merits of the underlying dispute. He did, however, raise concern about the impact of the law on TikTok's 170 million users and indicated that upholding it could create a slippery slope towards global government censorship of social media speech. Trump's brief took issue with how the law directed the president to work through an interagency process instead of exercising his sole discretion over the deliberative process of the executive branch.